Now, in neighboring Manatee County, about an hour ago, westbound access to the Barrier Islands was cut off. The water and sewage lifts on the Barrier Islands, they will shut off at sunset, and extra shelters, they are open right now, taking pets.
We will be turning off the water to the islands at sunset tonight to try and save the infrastructure from Ian's wrath. The sewage lift stations on the islands will also be turned off to prevent possible damage to the system.
Manatee County Administrator Scott Hope says this is to not only keep you safe, but also he urged everyone to leave if they are in an evacuation zone or in a mobile home or a manufactured structure. He says it's not only to keep you safe, but also his employees safe now, through, and after the storm. Now, we know there's a lot of information to keep up with, a lot of it coming at you, and we can get you real-time maps and storm planning right at your fingertips. Go ahead and text the word tropics to the number you see on your screen, 727-577-8522. That direct link will come to your phone and take you to our hurricane headquarters.